Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time. I got to thinking that I should probably give like a little bit of a life update. So I haven't posted a YouTube video since the end of February and it is now the end of May. Just to give a little insight onto what I've been doing the past few months, I decided I'd just kind of throw up some things and show you guys what I've been up to besides makeup and beauty and everything there. I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of explain what I've been doing for the past few months and kind of elaborate on like how this channel is probably gonna look for the next couple months. So just to really get started, last time I filmed a video, it was my eyeliner video, which I'll link somewhere on here. And I was actually in Colorado when I filmed that. So shortly after I filmed that video, I actually moved to Arizona to finish school. I finished my undergraduate degree of college from Arizona State University, where I got a degree in business entrepreneurship. So I guess I'll throw up some photos right now of graduation and how I celebrated. ASU actually ended up canceling graduation. So my mom, my grandma came out, we celebrated, we had a great time. I graduated, I'm literally a freaking adult, what is this? I ended up enjoying my last few months with my little and a lot of my friends there. I will be returning in the fall to get my master's degree, which is super exciting. But just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a life update, I was fortunate enough to receive an internship in Nashville, Tennessee. So that is where I'm currently at right now. I moved out here about 11 days ago, so very beginning of May, mid-May. With an awesome roommate, and I think that this channel is really gonna start steering towards like my life in Nashville for the next few months, along with some like beauty and fashion. Might take you on a couple like come to work with me vlogs, things of that nature. I'm working for a small company doing photography and social media work, so you'll be seeing that on all my platforms, probably Instagram the most. I have also been posting a lot more on TikTok and Instagram Reels, so if you want to see like shorter videos besides YouTube, definitely hop on over to those social media platforms because they have some other content that is not coming up on here. I ended up going to California with some of my really good friends, Kiki and Kayla, my next door neighbors. There's some photos. Yes, we had an absolute blast in California. We just did like a spontaneous girls trip, 10 out of 10 recommend doing it. But just to kind of give a little, why do I clap? Just to give a little bit of like the scoop into the future. So I think I'm gonna start really pushing this channel to do like makeup and beauty every once in a while, but do a little bit more like lifestyle and like vlogging and things like that. If you're interested in seeing that, please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Yeah. So I am in Nashville and you will be seeing a lot of vlogs. I've already had so much fun going to a couple bars, seeing some really great people. There's so much music down here. If you have not been to Nashville, Tennessee, I 10 out of 10 recommend coming. This city has my entire heart and I would love to live here one day. It's so much fun. Definitely recommend coming down here if you've not already been here. In the future, you'll probably see more like lifestyle, traveling, because I plan on going back down to see my family in Southern Georgia. Concerts, because they're coming back. I feel like just the other day I was making like my quarantine unboxing haul from Amazon, and to think that that was like the pandemic was real life, like blows my mind. I feel like we're all still really traumatized from the past year. It was so incredibly strange. So if you're interested in seeing like what this channel has to offer, this is kind of just like a what I've been up to video. I would appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with me. And don't forget to follow all of my other socials because I'm a lot more active on there. And hopefully I will see you guys very soon with some really freaking cool content. Peace!